Mastering everyday English. Wasting the day away. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common phrase you might hear in everyday conversations: wasting the day away. Understanding these phrases can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension of the English language. Let's explore what this phrase means, how to use it, and its context in various situations. Wasting the day away refers to spending the day doing things that are considered unproductive or not valuable. It implies that instead of using the time effectively, the day is spent on activities that don't contribute to one's goals or responsibilities. This phrase often carries a negative connotation, suggesting a lost opportunity to accomplish something more meaningful or important. To fully grasp the phrase, let's break it down. Wasting. This means using something inefficiently or carelessly. In the context of time, it suggests that the time is not being used in a worthwhile manner. The day. This refers to the entirety of the daylight hours, typically from morning to evening. Away. In this context, away implies passing or going by. It accentuates the idea of the day being spent or used up on certain activities. Combining these components, wasting the day away highlights the act of letting the day pass by engaging in trivial or unproductive activities. To illustrate how this phrase can be used, here are a few examples. 1. I spent the whole Sunday just watching TV and browsing the internet. I feel like I wasted the day away. 2. Don't waste the day away on things that don't help you grow. Focus on your goals and what's truly important. 3. In a motivational context, make the most of your time. Don't waste the day away on activities that don't bring you closer to your dreams. These examples show different scenarios where the phrase might be used, from expressing regret to giving advice. The concept of wasting the day away can be found in various cultures, reflecting the universal value placed on time and productivity. However, the perception of what constitutes a wasted day can vary greatly depending on individual beliefs, cultural values, and personal goals. In some contexts, a day spent in relaxation or leisure, such as reading or walking in nature, might not be seen as wasted but rather as a necessary break for mental health and well-being. Understanding phrases like wasting the day away can enrich your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively. It's important to remember that the value of a day is subjective and can vary from person to person. We hope this video has shed light on this common phrase and its usage in everyday English. Keep learning, and don't let any day go to waste in your journey to mastering the English language.